I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly on Chrome. Installing Grammarly on your Chrome browser is a great way to enhance your writing by catching those pesky grammatical errors and offering helpful suggestions in real time. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to launch Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet. You'll need it to download and install the extension. Once you've got Chrome up and running, we'll proceed to the next step, which is locating the Chrome Web Store. To get there, simply type Chrome Web Store into your search bar and hit enter. Alternatively, you can directly navigate to Chrome extensions in the browser, which might save you some time. Doing this will take you straight to the place where all Chrome extensions live and are just waiting to be installed. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a search bar at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and type in Grammarly. This will help you find the specific extension we are looking for. It's always a good idea to ensure you're selecting the official Grammarly extension. You can usually identify it by looking for the Grammarly logo and verifying it's listed as offered by Grammarly.com. Once you locate Grammarly in the search results, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome to the right. Click on that. And don't worry about taking too much time. The download and installation process happens pretty quickly. Clicking this button initiates the download and prompts a pop-up that will ask you to confirm your action. Just hit Add Extension and Chrome will take care of the rest. Once installed, you'll notice a small green Grammarly icon appearing in the top right corner of your browser. This indicates that the extension has been successfully installed and is ready to use. If the icon seems a bit dull or inactive, you can give Chrome a quick restart to ensure everything works smoothly. To sign in or set up an account with Grammarly, just click on the icon. This will guide you through the process of either creating a new account or logging into an existing one. After that's done, Grammarly will start monitoring your spelling and grammar across all websites. Remember, some features work best with a premium account, but the free version still offers plenty of useful tools for catching common mistakes and refining your text. With these steps completed, you're all set to create clearer, error-free writing. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now ready to harness the full potential of Grammarly on your Chrome browser. Enjoy writing with increased confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one.